It's a classic style and I believe you can find a lot of information about it on YouTube. We will start with the intercom unit and we don't have the user manual. Headphone and mic kits, audio cable, USB charging cable, screwdriver, magic tape clamp, Velcro pad, product box. There are two methods of pairing. Method 1. Press power button for 2 seconds until you hear the power on. Blue light is flashing for 3 times, then we come to pairing the two sets of BT-S2 Pro. There are two methods of pairing. Method 2. When Bluetooth is turned on, press the power button and phone button for 2 seconds simultaneously. Red and blue lights flash alternately. And press the power button of one of Bluetooth. It will automatically search for other Bluetooth for pairing. After pairing is successful, you can hear intercom connected and you can start intercom. Next, I will show you some basic functions of BT-S2 Pro. How to turn on the FM function. Double-click on the phone button. How to reject or hang up a call. Hang up, should press the phone button to end a phone call. Reject, double-click the phone button for 2 seconds. How to turn on the voice assistant function. Press the phone button for 2 seconds to activate Siri or S-Voice. They are fully protected against the light splashes done with IP65 water resistance ratings.
3, 2, 1,
BT-S2 Pro Basic Function Introduction. 2 riders intercom, Bluetooth 5.0, 0.12 miles 1-to-1 communication distance, CSR chip for noise cancellation, Type-C port. If you are looking for a good system to listen to music or answer call while reading without having to finance your money, then look no further. It was a little questionable what I thought price point of this system, but I figured I would give it a shot. The install was simple and it took little time. The sound quality is much better than I was expecting and the call quality was perfect. Recommend buying yourself one.